Hello beautiful souls, Kim Crystal here and welcome to today's video. If my face looks a bit swollen, it's just because I had my last wisdom tooth taken out 2 days ago, so I look a little bit puffy, but the show must go on. In today's video we will be making this beautiful tree of life wall hanging with this moon feature. It was a really fun project to make, and we used last week's tutorial into this tutorial. And in last week's tutorial we showed you how to weave this spiral pattern. If you guys would like to learn how to do the spiral, just go to last week's video. It will be down below. I'll comment it over there for anyone who hasn't seen that. So I absolutely love all the comments you guys have been putting on this channel and your ideas. This Dreamcatcher will be for sale in my store down below. I'm really excited to get into today's video. As you guys can see, I am really pumped because this is a really cool project and I hope you guys enjoy it. So let's jump straight into today's video. The very first thing I'm going to start with is by taking my thick rope and I'm going to start attaching them to the top. So you can attach as many as you'd like. I'm going to start by doing groupings of 3 and more, just because I would like to braid the pattern. So as long as you've got more than 3 strands, you can braid it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm actually going to hot glue gun these on, but you can just tie a knot onto the hoop. So just tie a knot onto that and that would work too. But I'm just going to hot glue gun it, so I'm just going to time lapse that bit. And yeah, that's super simple. While I was making this, I was thinking that I can actually add on a smaller hoop into it, so it can kind of look like a moon in the silhouette. So I'm just going to take some of this strand and just attach this onto the Dreamcatcher. So it's super simple. I'm just going to hot glue gun it around just like that and then it'll be attached. This part is really fun. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually start by making the tree shape. So what we're going to do is all of these are going to come together at a point. So I'm probably going to put it at about the middle like that. So you can start by grouping the strands in whatever group you would like. Maybe you would like this group to come together and this one to come together. You can kind of decide how you would like that to look. Now you can braid this. So just a normal braid, or you can twist it, so you can just twist them like this if you like that look as well. If you're doing the twisting, I recommend you use a glue gun because otherwise it will just untwist and unravel. And then another method is, in the previous video I did, you can learn how to make the twisted braided look. So I'll get that and show you. If you would like to do the twisted braid look, this is how it looks. So it just has a twisted braid. You can watch my previous video on how to make this braid. It's a tutorial on how to do this braid. So you can add that to this tree of life as well. So I'm going to use a combination of all 3 techniques. So all I'm doing is just going to twist it and tie it into the grouping I would like. After all that we've been through, I think it's fair from me to you. Watch it burn as we soar away. After all is said and done, and I know I am the one, I have waited here forever. all that I've done is I've printed out a picture of the moon and I've just laminated it as well. So I'm going to add it into that circle over there. I'm just going to cut it out of the laminating paper. So now that I've got this moon laminated and cut out, I'm going to stick it onto this circle just with a hot glue gun, and that's all I'm going to do. So just hot glue gun it on. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a big like and subscribe down below if you guys are new. We have finally got merch for this channel, so if you would like to support this channel, we are on Teespring. You guys can get yourself a t-shirt for this channel, and also this Dreamcatcher will be for sale in my store down below. It will be priced to sell, so I'll sell it for super cheap. Whoever gets it first will get it. And yeah, I just love you guys so much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
But